How to find birthday settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find birthday settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and go down until you find settings, and here just go down again. Here you will find profile information, and then here you will find your birthday. Just click this pen here and you can manage here anything you want. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.